Alright guys, MacBook. Let's go and unbox this right here, yeah? Oh snap, brother. Wow. These are expensive. I hope it's worth the money. Even going to college and asking like, why do people choose MacBooks over a Windows PC? Because it's like more powerful. One thing they never beat it at is battery life, and it's just a solid work machine. Like one friend, I can quote her from this day, she said,
if you buy a MacBook in the first year, I bet you it will outlast a PC.
They're always getting outdated with some new technology, but Macs still hold up, even if they're pretty old. Before I unbox this, let's go and put some white gloves on because this is so expensive. I feel like my hands are too impoverished to touch this. Dude, if I don't drop, these gloves are too slippery. Like, I'm gonna drop this for sure. I've never unboxed a MacBook before. This is my first time unboxing it, so you're in for a treat. Here it is, guys. Let's go ahead and take that out. Oh crap, gloves are trash. Dude, compared to my old laptop, like, this is light. I'm always curious what's inside the box. So you have this. The cord, braided cables, nice, and the MagSafe. Good change, by the way. I hate it when they did the USB-C thing. That was trash. I don't think so. I think these are just the stickers and whatever. You have the charging brick, very portable. It's not fat anymore. I think that's it. There's no more things in the box. Oh, the ASMR you get. I forgot the gray one's like a fingerprint magnet. Like, I can already see the fingerprints building up on it. Oh, baby. What the f? That was fancy as hell. How do they know I was gonna open that? What do you do, swipe? What's the difference between UK English and regular English?
Well, at least.
Expected more from the keyboard, but I mean, it's whatever, I guess. What surprises me the most, it's so light. My old laptop literally weighed like 10 pounds, so this is like an upgrade in it of itself. Dude, that gets pretty bright. Look, I turned the brightness up now. Okay, now it's creating the account. I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos.
Mostly my videos.
And I'm gonna test out the editing because I heard these Macs are pretty good on editing. You can basically edit on them for hours and the battery life will still be good. Let's mess with the MagSafe real quick. Main reason, this is one of the main reasons why I really wanted a MacBook, is because of the charging thing. I'm like, that was so cool to do. How do you open this without breaking the, oh, too late, I broke it. Having the fact that you can trip on the cord and it won't break the whole laptop with you, I thought that was really neat. But when they took it out, remember that? There's a period where it didn't have that. I no longer cared for it. It was whack. I'm being so delicate with the cable, like it's not even funny. Oh damn, y'all heard that? Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Like, if I don't say it how I normally say it, like, it won't pick it up, I'm sure. I didn't know I had Touch ID. That's kind of cool. Oh, it stored some of my cards. I don't know how I feel about that, but that's cool, I guess. Let's play some music real quick. Let's see if we get copyrighted here.
Now we walk around the world.
I'm not really a music snob, but it seems very balanced to me. But the highs and the mids, kind of overbearing. For me personally, I like a little bit more bass, but I have no complaint. It sounds really good. How the hell do you record stuff on here? Is it FaceTime? I mean, camera looks good. My only gripe is it's like I'm surrounded by studio lights, so I don't know how that would look. Well, let's find out. Let's turn this light off. I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's probably dark there, but I mean, yeah, it's okay. It does okay in low light, but don't get me wrong. When these lights are on, it looks fantastic. Like, probably even in the sunlight, but low light, eh. Alright, since my light just died, I'm going to play with this a little bit more, okay? And I will report any findings back to you guys.